Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, maybe you've heard of a website called Slice the Pie. All right, this is where you could get paid just for listening to music and writing a short review. Now, this company has been around for many years, and guess what? It's still around today. All right, it's still popping right now. But the question that you may have is, is this site legit? Is it worth it? How much money can I make with Slice the Pie? Because when you see this opportunity, a lot of people's first instinct is, hell yeah, right? I love listening to music, and I can write a little short review, I like to give my opinion anyway, right? So hell yeah, I could do this, maybe earn a little part-time income, maybe put in, 10 to 20 hours a week, do my thing, right? I don't know if that's possible with Slice the Pie, all right? So I used to do Slice the Pie like many years ago, and when I first got started with it, yes, you can, you sign up and then you listen to a song for like a minute or a minute and a half or something like that, and you actually are required to write a review. Now, honestly, I would get probably like 10 to 20 cents. You heard what I said. 10 to 20 cents per review I wrote, right? And if you were lucky, you might can get like 25 cents, right, for a review. So you think about it, if you really like busted ass, so just say you did 20 reviews at 10 cents a piece, what's that, about what, $2, right? $2 an hour. And let me tell you something about that. The bad thing about that is, if you did 20 reviews, by the time you get to song number about 8 or 9, you are going to be disgusted. You're going to be so irritated, annoyed, and bored, frustrated. You're probably not even going to do 20 reviews, to be honest with you. You'll probably do about, 6 to 8 and be cool with it. And then you'll look up in that corner and see your earnings, right? And you'll see like 60, 70 cents up there. And you can be like, ain't this a bitch? Ain't this about a bitch? I just wasted 30 minutes, 45 minutes of my time, and I got 70 cents to show for it. But as the years have went on, Slice the Pie actually added a couple different categories that will allow you to earn more money. They actually have a thing where you can review like fashion, right? You click on the fashion tab and they got it where you can like give your opinion on, shirts, boots, glasses, things like that. And you can earn some extra cash. And they actually have another section for mobile. I don't even know what the hell that is, but because they didn't have nothing available for it. So I don't even know what that is. And they added one more category, but I forget what it was. But so they did add a few other categories. Now, a couple years ago, I actually clicked on the fashion side just to see what it was about, just checking in on Slice the Pie. And the fashion thing, it was cool, but like they asked you a whole bunch of questions about this shirt, right? Or some shoes. And they asked you a ton of questions, and then you're expected to write a certain amount of words to describe the shit. It's like, I don't know. Like, it was just, right? Honestly, where I made the most money with Slice the Pie, if I'm being honest, is their referral program. So if you do decide to get involved with Slice the Pie, I would highly suggest you actually refer the program, be a referral of Slice the Pie, and try to get people, to use Slice the Pie just like you, because you will earn 20% of your referral's earnings. All right. So if your referral they come in hard as hell and earn $10. Woo! $10. Right? They earn that, you're gonna get 2 out of that. All right. And that money will actually add up over time. I have gotten paid several times from Slice the Pie, mainly from referrals. All right. But overall, how much money can you really make just by listening to songs and writing these reviews? Honestly, not that much. All right. I would only recommend this to people who are like extremely bored or really like listening to music they never heard before, and they're really good with words, and they can, write rather quickly, come up with quick thoughts. Because let me tell you a little secret with Slice the Pie. It ain't like your ass gonna be writing 2 sentences and they just gonna be like, all right, 10 cent, 20 cent. No, you have to write a good 5 to 7 sentences about the song you just heard. And no, you cannot copy and paste the same damn review and think you could just sit there and do that, because they actually won't allow you to do that. And if you keep on writing a similar reviews, they won't approve the reviews. So keep that in mind as well. So my overall opinion about Slice the Pie is, yes, it's legit. It's not a scam, but you ain't making a lot of money from Slice the Pie. Now, if you want to see how I make money online every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.